Welcome to student subject EVA. Today's topic strategy to reduce air pollution. Strategy, the two types. One is the economic policy. The second one is the traffic management. Economic policies are number one, different taxation for leaded and non-leaded petrol. Leaded petrol produce more amount of pollution in the atmosphere. Better option is non-leaded petrols. So use of non-leaded petrol tax must be reduced. Second one, the lower taxation for clean fuels like CNG, LPG and other biofuels. Third one, lower duties and the taxes on fuel efficient vehicles. Some of the vehicles, they are used different kind of fuels which are efficient for these vehicles. Fourth one, tax reduction for vehicles with emission control devices. Some of the vehicles, they have some device which can control emission, especially different kind of air pollutants. Number 5, mandatory use for lower non-polluting vehicles. This is compulsory to use such kind of fuels which is less polluting. And number 6, concession for installing non-CFC based system, especially in the air conditioned machines which produce CFC. A car must be used a non-CFC based air conditioned machine in the car. Now, the traffic management. Number 1, computerized system of signalization for traffic control. A computerized system of signalization can help to smooth running of the car without stopping. Number 2, provision for turning movement to maintain smooth flow of traffic. That means the lane should be particular. No turning left or right. It is only allowed for a specific areas. Number 3, use of one-way street and reversible lane. One-way street and reversible lanes only either up or down. These are two different kind of roads. Number 4, special lanes for buses and other HOV. HOV means high occupancy vehicles. So different lanes for different kind of vehicles. And number 5, special routes and time restriction for trucks and others. Especially in the commercial trucks, they are not allowed in the city area or the congested area in the office times. They should have their separate time for entry inside the city. And the parking control and the restriction. It is the strict law should be given to control of the parking and different kind of restrictions. Now the worksheet. To follow the following questions, write the full form of HOV. State 5 economic policies of air pollution control and how to control air pollution by traffic management. Thank you.